Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by putting your Apple Watch on and making sure it's snug. This ensures accurate heart rate and motion data. Once done, charge to at least 30% or set a quick top-up so the watch won't die overnight. Next, open the Sleep app or the Health app on your iPhone and enable Sleep Schedule. This links sleep mode, do not disturb, and tracking. Make sure heart rate and blood oxygen permissions are granted. Otherwise, the watch can't compute a reliable sleep score. You now optimize settings so the system captures meaningful data. First, set your target sleep hours and specific bedtime and wake time. This helps the algorithm compare expected versus actual sleep. Then enable wind down to automate calming shortcuts and reduce screen brightness plus haptics to minimize awakenings. Make sure motion, heart rate, and respiratory rate data are shared with health. Because the watch combines those signals to compute your sleep score, the better the inputs, the more useful the score becomes. You finish by inspecting your sleep score each morning in the Health app. Review total time asleep, heart and respiratory rates, and consistency. Those explain why your score rose or fell. Use that feedback to shift bedtime, reduce caffeine, or improve sleep environment. If a score is missing, check permissions, ensure both devices run the latest watch OS and iOS, and confirm sleep detection is enabled. If problems persist, restart your devices and resync health data. That usually fixes gaps in the recorded metric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.